Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio for the day. Today, I want to show you how to install a beautiful new ROM on your phone. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You can install this ROM on your Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus also. Like, subscribe and share, and under this video you will see this beautiful ROM. Okay, the link is under this video. Download on the link to this ROM. Okay, and copy on your phone, on your internal storage or your SD card. If it's done, get ready. If you have installed TWRP on your phone, you can access to TWRP using free touch. Power off your phone, hold busy button, volume up, and power button in the same time to access to TWRP, and welcome. When you come here, get ready. If you have not installed TWRP on your phone, on the first link you will see how to install TWRP on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, for example. Okay, now get ready to install DeluxeROM version 15. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, now click on Web. Click on Advanced Web. 1, 2, 3, and this. Get ready and do this. Home screen. Now click on Install, and you can see your ROM is here. You can click on Select Storage to select the internal storage if you are copying your ROM into. Okay, and click on OK. Open this ROM and get ready. Wow, look at that. Get ready to see this. Can you see this? Wonderful. Next. Wow, as you can see, this is for your Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8 and S8 Plus. Okay, look at the device here. Okay, now let's go to the installation. Click on Next. What news of this beautiful feature? All news of this beautiful feature are here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now let's go. Click on Next. Again, Magic Root, Skype initial, keep initial setup, add BSB applications, install Edge support, why not, remove disk, add disk, install stock version. Okay, click on Next. Using stock S Pen sounds. What do you think? Click on Next. Keep stock sound. Okay. Deluxe. Okay. And you can install also Gmail if you want, YouTube, and another. Okay. Maps. Okay, I want to install all of this. Music, calculator, email, voice, videos, and Note. Okay, the installation started. Wait a few minutes for the finishing. You can see under the person's here. Okay, get ready for that. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. Wow, as you can see, your phone reboot is normal. Wow, wait to see what after. All right, as you can see, Deluxe appear in front of you. on this beautiful screen. And as you can see here, the LED appear. When the LED disappears, the installation initiate of this ROM is done. Now let's go in for the installation, for the configuration of this beautiful OS. Thank you. Get ready for that. Wait a few minutes again. Okay, as you can see, the LED disappear. Enciendo Android. Which is the setup of this Android. The LED disappear and welcome back on a beautiful phone and get ready for the configuration. Wow, wonderful. Okay, choose your beautiful language. United States, click on OK. Continue.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Okay, I know. Do this, click on next.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
Thank you. Let me put my password right now. Get ready for that. Get ready for that. Okay. Okay, Nyango Company is my second YouTube channel. You can subscribe and get ready. Click on next. Checking for updates. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. Okay, just a second. Just a second. You can enter here your Google account, Skype again. Next, accept. Okay, your configuration here for your security.
Log in to a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
Okay, I know. Thank you. Skype, baby.
All right, we're all set.
Thank you, baby, for her. Thank you. Now click on finish and get ready. Okay, click on done. And welcome on your beautiful phone with this official. Ooh, look at that. This icon are so beautiful and so great. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that, bro. Look at that. What do you think? I think that is great. It's nice. It's beautiful. And it's amazing. Look at that. Okay, as you can see, it's wonderful. It's amazing. And it's working. Okay, let's go to the test right now. As you can see, there are many beautiful view icons here. All of these are beautiful. You can enable your beautiful Bixby without your beautiful headphone. This is great. This is great. Many things, many features into yes, look at that. Wonderful. What you can do? Look at that. Ooh, nice, nice, and so beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. What do you think? Okay, you can configure your ROM directly here using this beautiful application for more controls. Look at that. Okay. Settings. Welcome on settings. You can see here DeluxeROM settings. Wonderful. Look at that. Great. Go back. About phone. Sort of mission. Woo! Join first 2019 Android security patch level. This is great. This is nice. Okay. Wonderful. Open the camera. Cancel. Settings. Wonderful camera for you. Look at that, bro. It's amazing. It's beautiful. And look at here. You can see DeluxeROM here. And this is nice. This is amazing also. You can also delete this if you want. Here you can come here on DR and start your bar to delete this. Okay, wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Look at that. This is amazing. This is great. I like it. No problem. As you can see, VSCOM is based on the default stock on Samsung Galaxy on Android stock, Android 9P stock. Bisbee is here. Button. Welcome on Bisbee. Beautiful camera application. Camera. Okay. Oh, excuse me, Bisbee. Camera. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. Photo. And another. Okay. No problem with this. Wonderful when you do power off. Look at that. Amazing. Do this. Wonderful. Beautiful SD card appear. And this is great. Wonderful. What else into? Okay. When you hold the home page, you can see your wallpapers. View all. As you can see, this is the original version. This is based on the original version of Android P. Look at that. Android P and then 9P. One new E. Amazing. What do you think? Let me do something. Look at that. Many beautiful new applications here. Camera screen. Wonderful. The screenshot. Woo, wonderful. Where your S Pen appear here. Wonderful. You can do the same action. Do this. And the navigation bar. Whoa, great. Close all. Wonderful. This is great. All of this from Samsung. What do you think? From Samsung, bro. This is nice. I like it. Home screen. Wonderful. What do you think? Great. I want to take a beautiful picture. Wow. Nice. I like it. Wow, look at that. This screen is so reactive. It's so big, it's so fast, it's so good. It's so reactive. Ooh, can I take a photo, bro? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is amazing. What do you think? Big icons for you and for your Samsung Galaxy Note application. What do you think? So great. I like this. It's great. Okay, thank you. You can watch something here. Put this into. Do this. Wonderful. Nice. Okay. It's ready for the gaming. You can go on a Play Store, update all of this, and download your applications. and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Beautiful add panel for you. You can add on, for example, where is music application. Okay, you can download the music application on the Play Store also and get ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like that. Look at that. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe today. I love you so much. Load screen, wonderful. Beautiful. I like it. Wonderful. Double click. Always on display. Wonderful. Beautiful. And it's working so well. Wonderful. Nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.